We live in a world where things are not always what they seem. Truth is presented as falsehood, and lies warped into truth. Confusion abounds, even though information is at our fingertips. Technology now reaches astonishing heights, yet we suffer from an epidemic of anxiety and depression. As we look ahead, what can be done to discover truth without prejudice, preserve beauty amidst the profane, and promote peace in a destructive world? God's great gift to humanity, the intellect, the ability to reason and think that sets us above all creation, is the key. In an increasingly artificial world, we need institutions that cultivate natural intelligence, where creativity, imagination, and virtue come together in pursuit of excellence. At Zaytuna College, this is our mission. Support us and invest in the human potential toward truth, goodness, and beauty.